Hello and welcome to Roll-Off Truck World, your one-stop way shop. Today we're going to be talking about liquid vacuum trucks. In particular, we're going to be talking about DOT code hazmat vacuum trucks. These are vessels that are made, they got different features and they tilt like a dump truck, and they also have a full open and rear hatch on the back door, and they're meant for hauling corrosives and hazmat materials, and they're DOT code approved. These units are mainly used in the oil field applications, but a lot of people in the septic industry, grease trap industry, car washing business that are cleaning out car washes, they collect a lot of lint. So having that full open rear door in the back and the ability to be able to tilt and dump makes it great for cleaning it out constantly, and it also makes it great for hauling liquids like that are a little bit more heavy material, like drilling mud or slurry, or any applications that are thick products. But a lot of customers also use them for septic, so you can use them for anything, but really they're DOT code hazmat trucks, so you can also use them for hazmat operations. This truck over here is a stock number 316 on our inventory. We build these trucks in-house all year long. We build them and we sell them. This is stock number 316. I'll put the full spec sheet here, and it'll also have the pricing. It's a 2016 Freightliner 114 SD model. This unit here is equipped with a Cummins ISL engine, Allison 3000 RDS transmission, automatic transmission. This unit has 136,000 miles. It is a double frame unit all the way from factory, 16,000 pound front axles and 46,000 pound rear axles, and 40,000 pound rear axles and 16,000 pound front axles. The unit, we built it, and let's go ahead and talk about the equipment quickly. So over here you're looking at a used refurbished tank. This tank over here is a Pressvac 3,150 gallons, full 3,150 gallons. It doesn't have any split tanks for water or anything like that. It is an optional feature that we do offer. In this case, like all of our used equipment, we do install brand new vacuum pumps. Over here you're looking at a 2024 Fruitland model 870 LUF. I almost forgot the model 870 LUF, and it's rated for 501 CFM. This is the muffler pack here that you're looking at. If you look up close here, this all comes in an enclosed. When we buy it, all we got to do is mount it and connect the hoses. Makes it very, very simple to install, and it's all really self-contained, and it looks nice and beautiful. Over here you have your air pressure gauge, your relief gauges, over your relief valves. You've got your vacuum pump over here, which is hydraulic driven, not shaft driven. And then you've got your muffler, all contained in a very nice package. It's also easy to install. Over here you have your 3 controls. One activates your vacuum pump. It's hydraulic driven, like I said. One dumps this tank and tilts it. The other one has a full open rear hatch and opens the complete back door. Over here you have a hydraulic pressure gauge. That way you always know the reading on your hydraulic pressure and your operation. Over here you've got a work light switch for your LED lights in the back, and then you've got a fan. Fan is to keep the oil cool. This here is the oil tank reservoir, and when we go to the other side, we'll explain a bit more about that. This system here comes rigged with a 4-inch, so all the supply and the plumbing and the hoses are a 4-inch. Brand new hose trays over here, fender trays. These are brand new. We built them in-house. Steel wheels over here with brand new tires all around. Also, very important feature, and probably the most important feature of it all, before I even miss it and we walk to the back, you've got here what you're looking at over here is the cargo tank inspection. This is your VTK inspection, VIK inspection, and it was done about 2 months ago, and it's a 2020, it's valid, and that right there is basically an inspector will come out here, do a metal thickness test, pressure test, and do all kinds of tests on the vessel, and once they put that sticker on, that means this tank has been inspected and is ready to haul hazmat material. Now, if you're hauling septic, grease trap, and stuff like that, you don't need that inspection. So definitely, when you're purchasing a unit from us, make sure to tell us what the application is. That way we know whether you needed hazmat or not. Anyways, we're going now to the back door. As you can see, there's several rotating hinges here. These are the ones that keep this thing shut and sealed. And if you open them, then you'll release it and this whole back door will open. We will demonstrate that later on in the video. come up close over here. Brand new rear mud flaps, brand new lights. This is a custom built bumper that we built, and it has the LED lights all around. Up top, you're looking at the license plate light, and you're looking at your 2 LED work lights, which you activate from over there. Over here, you're looking at the liquid level indicator. Right now, it's in empty. When it's full, it'll be in full. And the way that works is there's a float ball inside, and once the liquid rises, the float ball rises, and this gauge over here will also rise. Over here, you've got your controls, one for the inlet, one for the outlet, and we'll talk about what these operate. And over here, you have a brand new air pressure gauge in inches of mercury. Now let's talk about the setup over here. You're looking at a 4-inch outlet, 4-inch inlet, dual activated. All DOT code hazmats have to be dual activated for extra safety. You have 2 brand new caps as well. So this, both of these valves are Betts Industries, 4-inch. This is your inlet. It's air activated, and you activate it here. And this is your outlet, and it's air activated here. And the double valve is basically just a standard butterfly valve, and you have that on both sides. Air activated. Well, the truck's been off for a while, so there's no air, but there has to be air pressure in the tank typically when the truck is on, and these air valves will go up and down, and then you manually do the butterfly. Now let's keep walking around. As I said, brand new tires all around, brand new hose tray all around with this fender as well, brand new mud flaps. This right here, whenever you open this and you're doing hydraulic work or repairs inside, you take this out, and it's basically a safety feature. Over here, you've got your step ladder, goes up there, and there you have your catwalk. Catwalk is basically to inspect and do inspections on the top, and the manways. Over in the top, you'll see a manway hatch and brand new hinges on that hatch, brand new rubber gasket. Same thing goes for the back door. There's a big rubber hatch in the back door. That rubber hatch is also brand new that we've installed. So this is, like I said, a used tank, refurbished, all new hoses, all new valves, all new air relief valves, the brand new valves in the back. Everything is basically brand new except the vessel. Let's talk about what we got over here. You got a Byers, brand new Byers diamond plate steel toolbox, and over here you got your oil reservoir tank, oil filter, got your cylinder that raises everything up and down. And like I said, whenever you're operating this equipment, you do turn on your fan, because that fan is going to keep this oil cool in here. You don't ever want to overheat it. Chrome exhaust guard, aluminum steps, aluminum wheels all around, brand new aluminum wheels all around, Alcoa models, Alcoa brand, sorry, with brand new chrome cover caps as well. Brand new chrome bumper, brand new chrome grille. Lots of nice features on this truck, folks. This truck is actually also a 6x6. So if you're ever needing something to go into the off-road industry, you're definitely going to need a 6x6 if you're going to be playing with the mud. Anyways, folks, for a truck like this, or for something similar to this, we build these trucks all year long, DOT code or regular septic and vacuum trucks. That's kind of what we do here. And talk to us about your next dream truck. Let us know how you want it. If you need to do a split tank, we can do it. If you need to add a water pressure wand to it with a triplex jetter, we can also do that. If you need to add extra emergency lights, grill lights or whatever, strobe lights, we can also do that. And if you need to add gear pumps or Roper pumps or Viking pumps to move fluid like that for the oil field applications, we can also install that on the passenger side. Definitely give us a call, 832-914-2855, or visit us at our website, www.rolofftruckworld.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.